Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clinical Research Simplified channel. I am your clinical research mentor, Chintan NP Sheth, and today we are going to answer a very crucial question that what is clinical research? If you are new to this channel, then check out the videos we just posted after posting a video on the trial phases of clinical research, I had been asked by so many freshers to make a small tutorial indicating what is clinical research. And that's the reason today we are going to understand in a very short format what clinical research is. After this video, you are going to understand what is clinical research, what are the components of clinical research, why clinical research is so much important, and who can participate in the clinical research. Again, welcome back to the channel and let's deep dive into the introduction of clinical research. If you ever wondered how medicines, treatments, and medical devices are tested before they reach the public, then this video is just for you. As shown on the slide, the clinical research components are made of the clinical trials where the drugs are tested to study its impact on health and diseases in human beings. It helps us understand the diseases better, the interactions of drug molecules with the diseases. It allows us to develop new treatments, and overall, it enhances the patient care. We also understand during the trial that how disease progresses, how disease affect the human body, and the overall goal of the clinical research is to ensure that the treatments which are being tested before they are released to the pharmacy store or in the market for the larger patient are safe and effective. Let's understand how clinical research works. As shown on this slide, the clinical research starts with testing the drug in the animals because before even thinking of trying a molecule on human body, we need to ensure that the drug is safe. The drugs are tested and studied in labs and then slowly tested on animals ranging from mice to rodents. If you have not checked the earlier video where I have explained the each phase of clinical trial in detail, then check out the description of this video where you will find the direct link of that video. Once the drug passes the preclinical or animal testing phase, then enters into the clinical trials, starting with the phase 1 trials. Phase 1 trials would follow to phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. And as I mentioned, you can check out the in depth 20-minute videos on the phases of clinical trials. Once the drug passes all four phases of the clinical studies, then it undergoes the regulatory scrutiny. Once it gets approved from the agencies like FDA, European Medical Agency, or any other country specific agency, then it goes into the post marketing monitoring. That is also known as the ongoing monitoring of a drug once they are released in the market. Now let's move and understand why clinical research is important. And clinical research overall depends on which pillars. As shown on this slide, clinical research has transformed the healthcare, and here's why it's essential. It saves lives. New treatments can cure or manage the deadly diseases, including cancers. It advances medicine. It helps us find better ways to prevent, diagnose, and treat the conditions. At the same time, it ensures the safety of patients by testing the treatments before they reach to the mass public, before they released into the market or pharmacies. Clinical trials make sure that every patient gets the safe and efficacious molecule. And ultimately, the clinical trials increases the knowledge of the overall society as it expands our understanding of human health and makes us aware about disease progression and how we can cure and be better as a society in the world of drugs and molecules. Now let's just see who all can participate into the clinical research studies. Many clinical trials need volunteers. So if you want to contribute to the medical advancements, here what you need to know. It requires the healthy volunteers that help researchers understand how treatment affect different diverse background of people at the phase 1 study, and then in the later stages it involves the patients with conditions, diseases or disorders that allows us to test the new treatments comparison with the existing treatments that might improve or cure their illnesses. So this is the simple breakdown of clinical research. It's a vital part of medical progress, ensuring the safe and effective treatments are available for everyone. If you found this video helpful, then like the video and share what topics you want me to cover in the comment section, and check out the earlier videos as we are going to simplify clinical research one topic at a time. Stay tuned, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, this is your clinical research mentor, Chintan and Pishet, signing off.